Guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line cutout. I've gone in first and just base coated with the color black and rustic red, and I'm going in now with a sponge brush and just a little bit of black paint on my brush and doing some horizontal stripes, and then I'll do vertical stripes over those, and where my two lines meet I will just go in and darken that up a little bit. Now I'm going in with the color pine cone for my deer. And then I'm distressing the edges of my frame with fluff, which is just a white color. And then I did rustic red for my reindeer's nose. And then I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and some black paint and just outline my reindeer. And then with that same number 4 round, I'm going to go in with the color fluff and I'm going to highlight everything. Highlighting is what really finishes it off for me, just kind of softens the whole look. And then after that, I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.